have you, Vaishali ji, Aditi here. What do you have to say about this beautiful initiative that Kemaya has started with Satyan Saab?
Uh, okay. Uh, Congratulations, Kimaya, and the entire team. I'm surprised. I don't know what to say. The expressions kids are giving through their paintings is something makes us think. The work is beyond their age, actually. So, surprise is the main emotion right now I have. I'm so happy. Thank you, Kimaya, for calling me here and surprising me with all this amazing work. When you have a person like him to, line up your thought process, and I think very important thing, the social cause for which you all are doing this makes it more special. I'm so happy that I don't want to call them kids, artists of this age. I will not call them kids. Yeah, coming artists are putting their energy and soul into creating something which is very important, keeping their phones, keeping their social media away. They are engaging into something very positive, and it's very important right now. I think all should come and see what they have done and encourage them. Kimaya, all the best dear. I can see future artists in them. मेरी भाषा में कहूँ तो बहुत सुंदर गाने बने हैं यहाँ पे. At the end of the day, every creation, every creation, I connected with the song. So they have composed beautiful songs, beautiful compositions, and I wish them a great success and awesome future. Thank you.
Aditi, your thoughts?
Well, so I completely second everything that she said, and I feel like in this exhibition I have seen such beautiful pieces of art, each art different than the other. It's like I didn't see anything which is the same or similar even. Everything is different. It tells you a lot about, the thought process and, about the children and what they've done, about the artists especially. And mainly I think it's not just an exhibition, but it's because it's for such a noble cause. I understand that it is also a gesture of compassion from their side and a symbol of hope. Hope that we will have this generation of artists also reaching out to the underprivileged or reaching out to people who need that kind of help, because it's for such a noble cause. And this kind of exhibition and this kind of work should inspire others also to come forward and, raise funds for such a noble cause in such a beautiful manner, where they're also using their talent in such an effective manner. And I think all the credit goes to the teachers for their guidance. And it's not possible, all of us have a lot of talent, but to be able to unlock that and to be able to bring that out, it's only possible through the guidance and the motivation of the teachers. So yes, I would like to appreciate that, and of course the parents for supporting their talent, their potential, and they should be very proud. We're all very proud of Kimaya. Thank you, sir, and it's an honor to be here and witness such beautiful piece of art. I mean, I'm not an artist, so for me, I don't know where this. If I'm looking at a painting, I don't know where they started from, and I'm wondering, like, did he decide what he wants to do first, then decide the colors, then do this, then do that, and it's like so much goes into it. There's so much thought. We're looking at the final piece, but a lot of effort, time, and thought has gone into it. So congratulations to everyone. And thank you so much once again for having me here.
Thank you. We can't let you go without singing a song. 2 lines of any song.
Wait, यहाँ के माहौल को सूट करने वाला. रंगों के ऊपर कुछ होना चाहिए यार.
बिल्कुल.
Wait, suggest which song you want me to sing to. Okay. मुझे एक मेरी गज़ल याद आ रही है. जिसका शूट बहुत कलरफुल हुआ है। इस तरह मेरी मोहब्बत का असर हो जाए, मैं तुझे याद करूं, तुझको खबर हो जाए, इस तरह मेरी मोहब्बत का असर हो जाए। Thank you.
Wow.
It was nice.
Thank you.
Each artwork is so different from each other. Uh, I just wanted to know the approach behind it, and please tell us something about yourself.
My name is Krishna. I was just scrolling through Printash one day. I saw an animated version of Van Gogh. I was like, okay, and I kept on scrolling. I saw an animated version of Mickey Mouse. I was like, if we combine them two, what will be the outcome? So I was like, let's test it out. And I think what I've created is a masterpiece.
Oh, you have.
Hi, my name is Omar. And I created the horses, and I created them because I always have a deep love for horses. I really like them. So yeah, that's what inspired me to make my painting.
And was there any like I've seen you've used quite bright colors, very bold colors. So is it a deliberate approach?
Yeah, I really like bold colors, and I feel like they go with everything. So that's why I've been bold colors. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Pratika Saraf, and I'm currently giving the IGCSE board exams, and I was really stressed, so I didn't have much time to sit and make something very intricate. So then I decided to do something really simple. I just wanted to splatter colors, so I just took some of my favorite colors and I just splattered it on the canvas, and I created an art piece with like rainfall falling down.
Hi, my name is Mahalsa. And I made this painting because I really thought that the flowers connected with me, because as you look at my painting, you see it's not perfect, but it's like very rustic, it's very beautiful, and I feel that really connected. And this painting, I love the platform it got, and I love the cause of this exhibition. It's working towards a very good cause to protect kids from cancer, and I really hope that I could help the cause. I love that.
It's a pleasure to have you guys over here. Thank you. Hi guys, it's a pleasure to have you here. And thank you so much. It's a wonderful exhibition, and the artworks are simply amazing. So could you tell me something about yourself and something about your painting?
My name is Anvi Anand Pawar, and my art is a mandala art. I am in 7th just now, and I dedicate work, so I chose mandala art as my art.
Okay, and what was the inspiration behind it?
No particular inspiration.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Pawar and I'm in 10th grade right now. And the Saraswati painting is the one that I did. And there was no such inspiration, but I thought doing a painting for a wonderful exhibition, and since it's the first time, I would go with something that is dedicated to God. So I chose to paint a Saraswati painting.
I can see you've used really bright colors in this. So is there any particular theme that you are following?
I wanted to put up onto positivity. Using dull and dark colors is a good scheme, but looking at the painting, I feel you should feel fresh. Like as you enter the house or wherever you're putting up the painting, it should be amazing, like pleasing to your eyes and fresh, and it should just make you happy. That's it. Thanks.
My name is Rajasi Kamath, and I've painted 3 abstract artworks. The main inspiration or the main idea was basically non-conformity to traditional, art styles, which is why I've used, knives, rollers, I've used a paintbrush as well in all of my artwork, and it revolves around a common theme, which is the sun or the sphere, which is also a source of, motivation. It illuminates our life in a certain sense, and participating in this exhibition was a transformative experience, I will say, and I'm really grateful to Mr. Satyendra Rane for giving me this opportunity
And when
guiding
you're talking
me.
about something transformative, how do you feel about like the proceeds of this exhibition going for such a noble cause?
That's what makes it really special, and I think throughout my process that is what truly motivated me, because I know that I'm helping people, and yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you over here because I have so many good things to say about all the artwork. This is so unique, and the fact that they're going, the proceeds are going to such an amazing cause makes it all the more special. So I would just like to know about you and your artwork.
So I am Soham Rane. I am now 16, and my artwork is about telling the emotions of a very common animal, a bull. But the emotions that it goes through, I've tried to show that in a creative way, the pride that it contains and the abuse that it goes through, just on daily basis. I just wanted to show that through my paintings.
So is there any specific reason why you chose a bull per se?
Because I think that even though a bull is a very common animal, you can see it roaming on the streets. But I think that the pride and the beauty of it is not really documented well as it should be.
I can surely say you've hit the bullseye.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure, ma'am. Please tell us something about your art and something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Pahal Birawat. I'm currently 17 years old, and I've put up one artwork in this exhibition, and that artwork was just, I've used like too many bright colors because I just wanted something that would like shine bright when you enter your house, like something that really catches your eye and something like you'd want to look at. It's a basic abstract still life that I have done. It consists of a glass and just like a lemon beside it, and it's something really so simple, but the way I've composed it just makes it so much more like brighter and something you would like very visually appealing.
Talking about brightness, the fact that the proceeds from this exhibition would be going to make the children's lives brighter.
Yes.
How do you feel about this?
I feel very accomplished as a person being able to do something like this because it just makes me feel really proud of myself that I can help like a small children by just making an artwork. And art is something I'm really passionate about. So by doing something I'm really passionate about, it's helping so many young children's life where like it's something as big as cancer that may just get cured, and which I think is really big.
Would you like to urge people to come and check out this exhibition so that they can become part of this?
Of course, the paintings that we have done, it's always a good thing that it has gone, the proceedings have gone towards a charity, and it is something through what we love. So we would also love to share this with others and also to help a little cause.
We're also hoping for the same. Cheers and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi guys, first of all, congratulations. It's a pleasure to have you guys here and to see such amazing artworks. Could you please tell me your name and about something about your work?
So my name is Ahana, and I made the paintings like of faces, and so in one of them it's mysterious, like you don't know what she's looking at. So yeah.
So what was the inspiration behind it? What was the thought behind
So
it?
I'm South Indian, so that's why I put banyan trees in the background to like show that she is also South Indian. So I took inspiration from myself.
Please tell me
I'm Myra. My painting's here only, so it's basically like the city through your mind. It's like a sunset and the buildings. I personally like sunsets a lot, so that's why I chose this piece. My name's Ashna. My painting's here. It's supposed to be abstract, and I chose like a cityscape and abstract to work on it.
Hi, my name is Jivika. These three are my paintings. I chose these because I feel like women embody grace, strength and beauty, and these paintings showcase that.
Hi, I'm Aliyah, and my artwork's called Bharat.exe, kind of like an executable file. And essentially, it's about my artwork is a celebration of all aspects of India, the religion, the tradition, as well as the technology, and yeah.
And how do you feel about the fact that the proceeds from this exhibition would be going for such an amazing cause?
Of course, it's incredible. I feel amazing that I think it's amazing that I could contribute to something like this. Yeah.
It's a pleasure to have you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.